Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I wash Suray's hair, right? We're gonna wash your hair today? Yeah, we're gonna show them. So just giving you guys a heads up, I only wash Suray's hair about only twice a week. And right now I'm gonna show you what I do. You agree with me? So right now I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do to prep her hair before showering, right?
No.
Oh, you have to say yes.
No.
Oh, let me see. What color is this?
The pink.
Good job. So right now I'm just gonna be brushing her hair. And the brush that I use is this. I got this from Target. So let me just center her really quick. Usually I brush her hair at least maybe twice a day. But say if I'm like working or something, I only brush it like once. A tip for brushing as well, don't try to start from like the root down. Always start from like the ends and then just work your way up. So it won't hurt your babies or your friend or clients or whoever. Alright guys, so this is what her hair looks like all brushed out. No tangles. I always brushed her hair ever since she was a newborn. And a lot of you guys always asked me, oh my gosh, how does she sit so patiently? How does she do this? How does she do that? Well, it's because you have to start them from young. Real young. So even as a newborn, you know, you just take like those little real soft like brushes and you just brush their hair like 5 minutes a day. And then when she got a little bit older, I would use like those little like, I forgot what they're called, those like body carriers. And then I would face her this way and I would just brush her hair. I would just brush it like that. Play music, sing, whatever, and you know, just kind of like bounce her around at the same time. And that's how she just really got used to it. That's how she learned patience, stuff like that. And then of course, when she was old enough to sit in her little boppy thing, I would play music or give her snacks or even just play Cocomelon on YouTube. Up until today, she doesn't really need to watch anything anymore. I could just give her snacks and like talk to her or even sing to her or even just play music in the background. So in our videos, our most like recent videos, we don't watch Cocomelon. I just give her snacks and like I say, I just sing to her or we just play music in the background. So just kicking it, chilling, like if we're like in a little salon, like girlfriends. Ready to go shower?
No.
No? Well, you know you gotta shower. We gotta go wash your hair. Oh, you wanna brush your teeth first? Okay, well, this also turned into a mini night routine because right now she wants to brush her teeth first. Let me smell your breath. Go, ah. Ew, you gotta brush, you nasty.
I brush the teeth.
Yeah, you're gonna tell them we're gonna brush our teeth?
Yeah.
Okay. We just use this, the Kids Cavity Protection. And I just use like a tiny bit just because she's starting to get used to not swallowing it anymore. So at first I brush it and I always tell her like to spit in the sink and don't swallow it. She's starting to be a lot better with that because she always used to swallow it. And then from there, once I'm done, I usually let her brush her teeth by herself. Good job. All right, stick out your tongue. Good job. Okay, spit. Spit. Don't swallow it, okay? Good job. See, I got tongue. Good job. Spit. Spit. Don't swallow it. Good job. You're gonna rinse. Okay, rinse. Oh my gosh, sorry. I swear she always does this. Now that I'm done brushing her teeth, it's gonna be time for her to brush her teeth by herself. Good. Your tongue. Good job. Go eat. Good. Okay, are you all done?
I'm done.
Okay. Go rinse. And then put it in here. You ready to wash your hair?
No.
Oh, well, too bad, girl. You don't got no choice, honey. It is wash day today. Okay. All right, say, see you in the tub. All right, guys. So, what I obviously do first is I rinse off her hair. She hates this part. She really hates when her hair is getting washed. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, to tell you the truth. Sorry. You okay? I'm like washing you like a plant, girl. Or a rose, because you're just that beautiful. What I use for shampoo is this. This is the Curly Kid Shampoo. I know in like a past video I have shown this before. So yes, we still use this. And then what I do is I only wash her scalp. What color is that? Good job, blue. So obviously the shampoo is only meant to clean your scalp. So that's what I do. I only just wash her scalp and not the ends. Once I rinsed all of that shampoo out, I just kind of squeeze out the extra water. And then next I use the Curly Kids conditioner. And we're like almost out of it. So now with the conditioner, I just condition her ends. And that's it. And I just finger comb it. And then sometimes you can also use a wide tooth comb, which I bring this. So I just do that, and then after that I leave it in for like 3 to 5 minutes. So while that sits there, I have her wash her body, of course with the help of me. And every time we wash her body, I always name the body part so she can wash it. And it's also like a fun way to kind of have her learn her body parts too. And to wash her body, I use the Baby Dove Tip to Toe Wash Rich Moisture. This is my favorite. It leaves her skin so soft. So I just give her a little bit and then just kind of have her wash her body. Go get your tummy. Good job. Go get your face. Good job. Get your neck. Good. Get your arms. Yeah, your arms. Good job. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys how she washes her body, but that's how I usually do it. I have her like wash her legs, wash her feet, wash her butt, stuff like that. And then once we're done with that, I obviously take over. I believe it's already been 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all that off. I'm still kind of finger combing her hair. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm done with my bath.
I'm done with my
Good job. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lotion on her and put her little nightgown on, and I will see you guys in a second. Say, see you in a second. Oh, gosh. Why you gotta pull a me on me? Now we are back to square one. There's times where I either just Y2 comb it or just brush it after the shower. So right now I just feel like brushing it.
No brushing. No. Put it down. Put it down.
Y'all see how she talks to me sometimes? You're so mean. After I'm done with that, I usually have like 2 options, which is I put some of this in, and this is a leave-in detangler, or I take my concoction, which is water, coconut oil, and I actually take a little bit of this and I mix it in here. And this is my little concoction in a spray bottle. A lot of you guys know about this. Since we're just gonna be going to sleep, I'm just gonna be using a little bit of this. A lot of you guys have asked where I got this spray bottle. I got this at my local Sally's. And it's kind of like a mister. I kind of like it. And you can use like as much as you want because these are just like all natural ingredients anyway. So like I said, it's just like warm water with coconut oil and just a little bit of like any leave-in conditioner that you guys like. So her curls can stay moisturized even when it starts like air drying. And if you guys wonder why I always brush her hair a lot, is because it stimulates the scalp and it helps with growth. So that's why. Plus on top of that, it's kind of like a little massage for her. That's how I usually shampoo and condition her hair. Like I say, I only wash it like twice a week. I will be showing you guys what it looks like the next day when it's all dry or whatever. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Say mwah. Night night. Love you.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Wow, you struggling over there, girl. All right, night guys. Hey guys. So today is the next day. Well, can we just show them what your hair looks like? So this is what it looks like when it air dries. And I didn't put anything on it except for what you saw last night, which is the stuff that I use in the spray bottle. So we just got ready to go out, and the last thing we need to do is her hair. I think I'm just gonna leave her hair down. So I'll be showing you the products I use to have her curls be popping and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna be using my spray bottle again. And I always shake the spray bottle every couple of seconds just because there is coconut oil in here. So it tends to always float back up to the top. So of course I'm gonna be using this again. Sometimes I also use the wide tooth comb. All right, so after all that's brushed out, that's when I'll be using this, which is the vegan curling custard. I really like it a lot. It's all natural from Smootie Pie. Well, since she's turning this way, maybe I can show you guys a little. So I just kind of do it by section so I can give all the hair some love. And sometimes I just still saturate it with the water. And then for every section, I just use like a little bit. So maybe like this much. And I just finger comb it through her hair, especially on the ends. Make sure I'm showing all of her hair some love. Second layer. And yeah, so on and so forth. So that's what I basically do if I'm rocking her hair down. And then sometimes if we're like in a rush or something, I don't really do layers. I just kind of hurry up and saturate our hair with the spray bottle, and then after that I just kind of make sure to use this all over her hair and try to, you know, put it all over her hair as best as I can. And I like this product because it keeps her curls popping like all day. And it's also all natural. I mean, it's kind of looking like this right now, but then once, you know, it all dries out, that's when her curls are gonna pop out more. I make sure especially to get the ends as much as I can because I feel like the ends tend to dry out more. Ooh, she's bored of my tutorial. I don't really be leaving her baby hairs like that, so what I usually do is use this. I know I showed this in the past before, but I actually upgraded, and depending on my mood, I either use this or this. Today I am just gonna be using this. I put this along her edges. All right, so this is how I basically style her hair when it's down. And right now it's looking a little flat, but then like I said, once some of the product dries, it definitely, her curls would definitely pop more. So it looks hydrated and her curls are popping, and yeah. So that's how I usually just do it with her hair down. I will be probably doing a future video on how I be putting her hair up and what products I use for that as well. But other than that, yeah. That is how I wash it, and that is how I style it down. She's acting like this because she wants to go already. So we gotta go. Here, let's turn around and say bye. Turn around. Come on, let's go say bye. Let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see. I hope that this video helped you out even just a tiny bit, but if not, oh well. Well, anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Go close it out. Woo.